Thanks for clicking on today's video. Before we get started, please do not forget to
like,
comment,
and subscribe, boys.
Hey, let's
get this.
Hey, dude has not confirmed yet. He read it 12 minutes ago.
Be like, question mark?
We might be leaving for Bremerton or Bremelo or B-Town, aka. But basically, we were trying to pick up another rim. My guy said I need a ride to my mom's house. Are we speaking in cryptic code?
Wait, what? Question mark? If you can send me the location of your first house and second house so I can see how far it is. Because I'm paying my cousin gas money. So I want to add the miles and like the distance so I can give him enough.
Yeah, I got you.
Alright, yeah. If you can send me that, and then I'll call you back or text you and tell you if it's possible or not.
Yeah, bro. Sure.
Alright, I appreciate it, man.
Yep. Alright.
Good. Bye. His mom's rent.
Future Junior? Are you calling yourself? In my fucking garage?
It's nature's water.
It didn't fix the car, by the way. So, yeah, this video is probably not getting posted for a long ass time. I'll vape to that. Just kidding. I don't vape. O-rings for days. O-rings for days.
I haven't seen you since Monday.
Oh my god.
You, it's been forever.
It's been, bro, you're dark.
Dark, bro. Like
Oh my god.
it's
Ladies, he's single.
Yes.
He's still single.
single, brown, and damp.
What are we doing, Junior? Can you bring the viewers up here?
Can you retake that?
Action. Action.
No, you gotta
Action.
You're like, you gotta
Well, I can edit it. I can edit it. So, Junior, what's going on? Why are we going? Where are we going?
We're going to Bremerton.
And what's in Bremerton?
2 rims.
And why are we going to Bremerton for 2 fucking rims?
Long story short, I broke my.
Photo is here.
Oh, I want to see it. Can I see
And
it? Can I see the photo?
Yeah.
wait for the video.
Oh. No, I'm not waiting for the video. You show me now.
I could.
So we're headed to Bremerton for 2 rims. And it's because this guy doesn't know how to drive his car. All right, so he's got a busted up fucking sensor that locked up his tires when he was going 30 miles an hour around a very small curve and went right for the curve. Out of the rim.
Like, look at it. Like,
Dude.
So the guy that we're picking up is giving us a pretty good deal. He's giving us 2 rims for $200.
No, 180.
180, because we have to drive him to his mom's house and then drive him back to his dad's house.
well, we don't know if it's his dad's house, so we
We
can't
don't know. BMW quoted us, our local BMW dealership, $552 just for the rim. That's not including installation or anything else.
So if I were you guys and your rear tires got locked up and you hit a curb, I would recommend OfferUp. Go to OfferUp.
If OfferUp is available to you, because OfferUp isn't available everywhere, but if it is available to you, definitely use it. It's like the better version of Craigslist.
I currently don't have a job. All my money went to my car. Literally, I have 20 bucks in my pocket, that's it. I start the 25th. This man, his kindness, generous, loving care for me, is letting me borrow $180.
And we'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Yeah?
Walking home.
There's a ferry we missed.
Fuck.
So vibes though. This is a whoa. Just because I didn't have my sensor fixed doesn't mean you beat me in the dust.
Yo, didn't this
What?
tell
You wouldn't be shit without your charge pot.
And you ain't shit without your sensor.
There's the ferry we missed.
Went to the...
Right out there.
Stand in Seattle. You don't know that? From the Caribbean.
I like, let's give these kiddos a show. I put my brake, my gas on my like 1500 RPMs. My fucking rear tires want to already spin.
Yeah.
He's like, all right. I don't think he's like brake gassing it at all. Like on the green light, let's go. Green light hits it. I go. I look in the back mirror. It looks like he was driving normal. And then I asked him. He was like, dude, I was flooring it. Yeah, bro,
To be
like,
clear, my Vano solenoids are still shot, so that's the only reason why I would have lost. But I should have been on his quarter panel for at least some of it, because he's still stocked.
Like,
You're still stocked.
1 second.
You're still
like
stocked.
0.1 second.
You're still stocked.
You'll be on my fender for like getting off the line for like 0.1 millisecond.
Point milliseconds. Point milliseconds.
No, 0.00001 seconds.
All right, this video is titled "How to Get the Pick on the Gram."
Ah, did I get it?
No.
Trying to get the tunnel, bruh. Like, dude, like
Bro,
shredding the
we
Nord.
came in hard
Yeah,
with the
like-
Nord.
Dude, the wake just came in too hot, bro.
Dude,
It
we
was
were
like,
shredding the fucking rips.
it was hecka awk, man, and like I got pitted, dude.
Bro, so pitted. Oh, bro, is that, bro, that's you getting pitted, bro? Is that you getting pitted?
Pitted, bro.
Bro, oh, that's
Do
actually
you
a dope
like
pic.
catfish people? Be like, yeah, I was in the ocean. And like,
Yeah, he's gonna Photoshop himself on a wave right
Just right there.
Here,
See
let me
it?
get that.
Little tunnel right there.
Look at that. That's so pitted right there. That is fucking pitted.
Look at that, bro.
Dude, that is.
That's H2O.
That's
and,
H2.
Or that's H2 in the O.
That's in the
Oh, yeah,
O
look at mine.
with the H.
When
Red.
you don't know how to work an iPhone.
We were trying to get the footage.
Not even coming.
Oh well. And we're about to head off and go hit the ferry. You know what I'm saying?
You're gonna be home in
And we
August,
made
right?
it. Broncos on a very important business meeting. What do you guys say, Junior? Are you excited for your new rims?
yes and no.
Are you scared about your new rims?
Yes.
100%. Alright, so we'll see when we get there. Yeah, boy. Fucking vibe. We talking about stance wars? Oh shit, bro. These are the Turkas that they've been talking, the VTECs that they've been talking about. Cat back exhaust. Holy shit. Make him slam it into fourth.